Looks like it's on rails. Oh,
I don't know. Don't know.
We're here with a local flyer, Kevin, and show us your true colors here.
Yeah, my true colors. This is my American Assassin, and we haven't flown it yet. It's a maiden flight today. The model is an Assassin, and there's a couple different ways of making the Assassin. Some put fins on the end of the wings. I'm choosing not to use the fins on the end of the wing. The plane won't fly quite as steady. It has a tendency to rock or slide through the air a little bit more. But this is my American bird. This is a maiden flight. Normally I would fly it on grass for the maiden, but I got a bunch of friends talking me into flying early.
We're egging them on. We want to see this fly.
Actually, all right.
Okay.
Actually, can I get somebody to launch it?
So
Yep.
I'll just do overhand.
No, you don't even have to throw it. It'll take out of your hand. But
So have you flown it before?
no, I haven't flown it.
And where's your CG supposed to be?
I have no clue. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
My guess is it's going to be close to being tail heavy.
Well, we're going to find out.
All right, here we go.
Ready?
Beautiful. Look at that. You really haven't flown this before?
No, that's maiden launch.
That's amazing. Looks like it's on rails.
That's half throttle, gentlemen.
On that little motor.
Yeah, that was half throttle.
Give it full throttle, please.
Oh, what was that?
Lost the prop, I think.
Yeah, but why did it tuck in? Oh,
I don't know. Don't know.
but he went full throttle. The prop came off. It sounded like the prop went, but then it just tucked and went straight down and bounced pretty high. And we're gonna go out and check it out. So we just picked it up out of the field. We heard something going in the prop. So what did it look like it went in the prop?
All of that flight was at half throttle until Ben asked for a full throttle. When I full throttled, pulled my wires out of my ESC, which meant I lost all control. But the plane itself, if I didn't have to do a little soldering, the plane itself, I could put a battery in and go. But it hit with such impact, it pulled out my receiver.
And the battery just flopped out.
And the battery flopped out from...
These things are indestructible. I mean, that's the whole purpose of this thing is put it right into the ground, as we saw at high speed.
And for a maiden flight, you saw how it took off. It basically, I didn't even have to tweak it at all.
The only issue was having loss of power, doing the wires getting caught in the propeller and pulling it out.
Yeah.
So
highly recommend the plane.
Well, good show. Let's do it again.
Yeah, we will when I get it soldered back.
All right.
Nope, love the plane.